Hello everyone, welcome. My name's Andrew. What I'm going to do in this short broadcast is I will show you how to fix a certain problem with an iPhone. I have an iPhone here, and I have an external battery. If I just unplug that from my phone, I have an external battery and it plugs in here. There it is, plugs in like that. Now, I find that when I try to plug it in, it doesn't really hold itself in the lightning socket very well. It will often kind of come loose and stop charging the phone. And when I'm using it for recording videos or when I'm going live on my Periscope channel, I find that because I can't see whether or not the phone is being charged, it comes loose and I don't know that my phone isn't charging up and it's draining the battery, and then it suddenly cuts off. So I'm going to show you how to fix that, or one possible way to fix it. Now, before we go any further, make sure that the phone is switched off. Not just asleep, but definitely switched off. Like that. No, not like that. This phone, unfortunately, isn't very stable, so let's make certain that it is off and not just restarting, which I think it is. Okay, well, to be honest, it's not going to make much difference even if I do damage it, but I'm saying definitely make sure your phone is switched off, and I am not responsible for any damage caused to your phone. Thank you very much. Okay, I'll let it switch on. It's not a problem. It's an old phone. As you can see, it's not working very well, so I don't care if I cause damage to it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear out the little bits of fluff that you get within the lightning port. And to do that, I'm going to use a train ticket. Right? I'm going to use a train ticket and I'm going to cut it into two little tools. Right? I'm going to. Incidentally, the reason why I'm using a train ticket is because it's a nice, reasonably thick, well, reasonably stiff, but actually very thin piece of paper. It's laminated, it's that shiny stuff. So it's like that, but it's really thin. So there's my first tool, just a little prong like that. Okay. Prong, and my next tool is going to be a little hook. Let's do it here. Right. So I'm going to cut it like this. So a little hook like that. That looks fine. Okay. Right, so there we go. We've got a prong and a hook. Alright, I think I shall just round off that edge. Just round that off just a little bit so we can get it in there. Okay, so first, I keep my phone in my pocket, and it picks up bits of fluff in there. So I can begin by just giving it a good poke around in there, so you can see little bits of fluff. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a good poke just to kind of loosen the fluff. So I'm using the prong. It might get a little bit bent as you're pushing it around, but you can see I'm already beginning to pull out little bits of fluff. I shall, using my watch, I'll have a little look down there and see if there's any loose bits there. So I normally find that because I'm pushing the cable in, the fluff gets compacted right down at the bottom. Right down at the bottom, it gets compacted down there. So I'm just kind of loosening up a little bit. Just giving it a good scrape, a good scratch. See more fluff coming away. Like that. Okay, and now I'll use the hook. So I should have loosened quite a lot, and now I should be able to hook out, there we are, oops, hook out quite a lot of the fluff using my little trade to get hook. Get right into the corners. And you should be able to feel where you are. More little bits going there. Right, we'll give it another stab with the prong. Loosen up a little bit more. So I just keep scraping away. There's some more. Getting right into the edges, giving it a good poke and scratch right the way down to the end. Another little look inside. That's going fairly well. I think about most of it. I think that's pretty good actually. And then, once again a good clear out, I can feel that when I put the cable back in now, it gets a good click down there, so I can feel it's nicely snugly home now. It's, you know, it's really staying in quite nicely. So there you go. As you can see, there's little bits of fluff. There's quite a lot I've got on my table now. There's another wee bit. You know, that's all in there in the lightning port, stopping the connection. Not just physically stopping the cable going in, but stopping the electrical connection as well. So we should have a nice clear firewire port. Not firewire, lightning, that's the one. Yeah, so there we go. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to me. And yeah, that's all. Let me know if you give this a try. Let me know if you do this. Let me know if you try doing this and see if it improves matters. Thanks for watching.